big old shout out to But They Call Me Shay here on YouTube. Go subscribe to her channel. I'll link it in the description box. We both was on a mission to find these DW holiday candles. I don't know if they're like Thanksgiving candles or Halloween. I don't know. But we were on a mission to find these candles. But look, Shay, I found them. I'll link her video in the description box. It's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back and checking my channel out. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave your girl some comments. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all of my people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl putting out. You're watching vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthrough, no matter what. You got your girl back. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. As y'all did see, that I went to Marshals. And also last night on the sipping chat, I opened up this package on my sipping chat last night, Friday. If you haven't been to my sipping chat, I normally do it every Friday at 6 p.m. Central Time. Every Friday. Well, I should say around 6 p.m. every Friday. So please join, the sip and chat on Fridays, as well as please subscribe and follow your girl on Instagram, baby. Follow your girl on Instagram. Trying to get the numbers up over there, but let's get into these boxes and this heavy bag. So yes, let's get into this stuff. This candle, which is the Harvest Festival candle. This candle been going for a couple of hours on this warmer. If you have not got your hands on the Aldi warmer, you playing yourself. I'm just here to tell you, it's super cute for only $17. That's the cheapest that you could find these warmers, these lantern warmers, anywhere. Most places have them for like $35. So yes, this one is on the warmer. As I was saying, that's the Fall Festival. Yes, that's the candle that's going right now. I absolutely love the way the jar looks. It's like a gray color, almost like purple or lilac kind of color. So nice. The scent notes in that one is fresh pumpkin, cinnamon, sweet almond butter. It is so good. I don't smell any cinnamon, to be for real. I didn't even know that cinnamon was in this candle. To me, that almond butter is really the dominant scent in this candle, and I really like it. Really, really like it. So far, this candle has 4 stars on Bath and Body Works. As you do see, if y'all don't know, right now the candles is $10 off, but as you do see, the candle has 4 stars. I really like it. I really, really like this candle, and more than likely, I think I'm gonna buy a backup of this. I really like it. So the next items that I did get, I got this stuff when Bath and Body Works was doing, I think these were like the $10 off candles. It was doing that sale, but it took so long for my order to come here. I don't know what was going on, but it took a while for my order to get here. And they also was doing $6.50 body care. So I decided to just grab some more because y'all know your girl absolutely love this honey wildflower body care. I love this. I love this. So when semi-annual sale come, if they have this like super cheap, most definitely gonna get a whole lot of the shower gel. Also, and I haven't did a video on this, but I did haul a couple of these body butters. Amazing. I just love this. I love this scent, and I say it all the time inside of my sipping chat. This is probably one of my favorite scents at Bath and Body Works. Love it. So I got this, the shower gel as well as the body lotion, or yeah, body lotion, because I didn't have this. Also, another thing that I discovered that I really like, but not more than I like the honey wildflower, but one of the sipping chats I needed some lotion on my hands, and I had the lotion sitting in this little thing right here, and I had never tried it, but I tried it for the first time on my sipping chat and just was like, oh my goodness, I need that. This is so good. The coconut candy apple is so good. When Bath and Body Works first released this, I was like, what in the world are they doing? Candy apple and coconut? I was like, that don't sound like it'll go. But actually, it's really, really nice. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. And I know your girl is late to the party on this, but I'm here at the party. Here you go. I decided to grab the body wash as well as the body lotion. This is good. Now, I don't know if it's going to be like backup worthy. I don't know, but so far I really like the little hand cream that I got. Really like it. So I most definitely wanted this. Hopefully the body wash works really good, because if it don't, it's just going to be a one and done if this one don't work. But this one is good. Okay, and then I grabbed more candles. I grabbed a total of 4 candles. That was one. And then the other one is just like backups. I decided to get another of the sweet kettle corn candle. Amazing. This is a powerhouse. If you have not smelled this candle yet, it is very buttery, but it's more like a sweet buttery. It's a powerhouse. This candle throws really, really good. It's kind of sort of in the family as that Summer Boardwalk candle, but I think Summer Boardwalk is way sweeter than this one. This is more on the buttery side. This one, lemon lavender shortbread. I absolutely love the packaging on this candle. I just love those colors, period. You know, I love all of the candles that come in this collection because I love how the white background along with the white top, and then just these neutral fall like colors, so good. They did this collection really, really good. And then I really like this candle too. I already have like 5 of these candles, but from the other collection, the lavender collection that came out, I got like 5 of them. So I wanted to grab another one just to see if it had changed, if it's different. So I decided to just grab one. The last candle I got is pumpkin pie. Absolutely love the packaging. Love this white jar with this black lid and how the sticker is basically outlined in black with the gold. So good. And I did not know there was issues with this candle until last night in the sipping chat. Last night in the sipping chat, people was talking about how this candle has like a foul smell. And I don't know the batch codes. Nobody ever mentioned which batch code is the messed up one. But I think I heard someone say that it's more of the lid, not the actual candle. It's more of the lid. And my lid smells just like pumpkin. It smells like baked pumpkin pie. That's what it smelled like to me. So I didn't have no issues, but y'all know, once one person says something bad about a candle, everybody else gets on the bandwagon. I'm just saying, there's nothing wrong with mine so far. Yeah, so far mine just smelled like nutmeg. Then you get that graham cracker crust. Yeah. So maybe it's just that the person who actually smelled the foul smell had a bad lid, as well as the mixture with the nutmeg, and I don't know. But this smells like a baked pie to me. I'm just saying. My stuff from Marshals. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. The first candle I got, all of these are DW candles. I went to the store. I said in my sipping chat, I wanted to find those Thanksgiving candles. So I was lucky and I found them. The first one is mashed potatoes. And as you see, the lid looks like that. There's no scent notes on the bottom of the candle, but we're going to just go off of smell. And hopefully this candle back here, because it is throwing pretty decent, hopefully it doesn't interfere with the scent. It actually smells like mashed potatoes to me. Yeah, most definitely with these candles, I'm going to have to burn them to really get that true scent. The next one I got is Thanksgiving Feast. Oh my goodness. Last year, I was on the fence about this candle. And I kept on thinking about it. When I first seen it, I was like, no, I'm going to pass. You know, it might be nasty. It might not smell good. So I'm just going to pass. But I thought about that candle every day after that. And when I went back to the store, they was completely sold out. So this one is Thanksgiving Feast. I really can't smell nothing. Maybe I don't smell too many candles. I don't know. But we'll come back to all that. The next candle I got, which everybody says that this candle is awful, but I had to smell it for myself. You know, everybody has their own opinion about these candles. So the best thing to do if you want to try a candle, buy it, smell it for yourself, test it for yourself. If you don't like it, return it. So the next one is mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, that's what the lid look like. A lot of people says this candle is awful. Even the guy in the store was like, that mac and cheese, oh. It most definitely smells like the Kraft, the box macaroni and cheese. Yes. Or like that popcorn, the cheese that's on the cheese popcorn. I don't know if y'all had that, but I can't even think of the name of that popcorn. The old school popcorn that used to be in those little yellow bags. That's what it smells like. Wow. That I might return that one. That one might be a little too much for me. The last one from the Thanksgiving collection I got is dinner roll. I think more people really like this one over all the other ones. But I can't smell anything. Lord, please. I really can't smell them. I really can't smell them. And I hope that's not a sign that these are duds. Oh my goodness. I hope that is not a sign that they're duds. But I really can't smell anything. And it could be because of this candle is kind of overpowering. I seen this smoked bourbon. I had to get this because I actually been looking for this candle for a while. I have the smaller one like this and I really like it. So I have been looking for this one. So I am so happy to finally find it. So yeah. And then the next one I have is the smoked whiskey cider. Yeah, smoked whiskey cider. And then the wax is like that deep burgundy color. Guess what color is the wax in this one? Oh, this is just normal, the regular stuff. I really love these jars. I like these glass jars. This one actually is nice too, this lid. Really nice lid. This candle is so strong. This mac and cheese candle is, I still smell it. It is so strong. Very, very cheesy. The last candle is this spiced bourbon. This is another DW candle. It's spiced bourbon. Like I said, the scent notes, they ain't on the bottom. So yes, that is the last one, spiced bourbon. And it has black wax. Wow. So yeah, I'm happy to get a lot of these liquor or bourbon candles because like I said, I have been looking for this collection for a while. All last year, I tried to find it. I think even the year before that, I tried to find them. So I'm super happy that I was able to finally get my hands on some of these candles. Finally. So yeah, lastly, that's it. That's all of the candles I got. Leave in the comments. Let me know, have you smelled any of these DW candles? Let me know. These are really good for the holiday. You know, when you're cooking and you want your house to smell like you just doing it big. That's what these candles are really good for. These will be really good candles to give for like a prank gift, or yeah, prank gift, or April Fool's Day, or if you just love scents like this, just burn them, you know. So yeah, leave in the comments. Let me know, have you tried these DW candles before? Because I know this is not the first time that they came out. So leave in the comments about that. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments. And also follow me on Instagram. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.